Welcome back mga kababayan sa aking life story vlog kung saan ibinabahagi ko ang aking mga life experiences, interviews, travel, food, culture, and more. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button na nasa bottom right part of this video at ang notification bell para ma-notify kayo pag meron tayong mga bagong uploads. This is my third take. Mga labs, kamusta kayo? I'm sorry hindi ako nakapag-vlog or share sa aking mga event for the past parang almost 3 weeks dahil we've been traveling. We went to quite a few number of places: New York, Concord, Massachusetts, Boston, Springfield. So pag ikaw kasi nakapag-travel, you go out a lot. I do a lot of filming too. Kaya lang, wala akong time na mag-edit para ma-upload siya sa YouTube. Kaya ang ginawa ko mga loves, mga shorts lang to just be active, and so para naman hindi kayo ma-wonder kung what happened to my channel. It's still there. It's super active. Kaya lang, like I said, it's just so difficult. Ang hirap pag nag-travel ka and then nag-film ka and then mag-edit ka. It's not actually that easy. Matagal siya. So anyway, I arrived last night and there's an event that I have to go tonight. I'm going to the founding anniversary ng United Methodist Church sa Montebello. Kaya ako'y pupunta. I bought the ticket before I left for New York. And then earlier, dahil I only arrived last night, I called and I messaged them to say baka hindi ako makapunta dahil it's very tiring from the trip and packing and this and that and the other. But then nakapag-rest ako, mabuti na lang hindi nila na ibigay sa iba yung ticket ko. So there will be dinner, of course, and then raffles, dancing, singing, praising. So it will be fun. Maraming Pilipino mga loves. I miss vlogging with you, you know. Namimiss ko siya. For some reason, I'm kind of enjoying this. Recording my event of my life and sharing with you. So, mga love, I'll see you later, okay? God bless you, mga mahal. There's the party is starting from here. Ito yung mga receptionist. Hi! Mahal, I have one like that.
Of course you have. You need it. Your name is here.
Yeah. Thank you. I got it. This is the booklet. That is the Dumaguete eh. Nakasablat. Taga Dumaguete. Diba nahinumul ka sa inyong birthday, nakaglad ka. Nakita mo? Here's the beautiful girls of Montebello. Say hello. Where are you from?
Jesus loves the little children of the world.
Where are you from in the Philippines?
From Manila.
Manila, and ikaw?
I am from Caloocan City. This is Benz. If you need a dance instructor, this is Benz.
Dance instructor and
DJ.
DJ.
It's a good one.
My phone number is 818-434-8018. Just call me or text me whenever you need my services.
Where are you from, Ate?
Ate City po ako lumaki. Pero born ako ng Quezon City. So, Manileño po.
Do you know how to speak, ano?
Kapampangan. Fluent ako.
So I'm moving around. Say hello to the vlog. Hi, everyone. Ang mga Bisaya. Ang mga Bisaya na natin ha. So mga loves, they are preparing some music like that. I'm not able to play this later dahil you know what, ang mga copyright, so hindi ko pwedeng ma-record yung I have to mute it or something. I'm going to open this. Pastor gave this to me. It's actually wool now. Like real deal and the tree. Lamig siya mga lamang sarap.